炸油角 crispy deep fried sweet peanuts and sesame puff. Hi friends, come and join me today as I am making deep fried sweet peanuts and sesame puff for Chinese New Year. It is not that difficult to make actually for a first-timer like me. This video is for a person first time making deep fried sweet peanuts and sesame puff. Come and let's get started. Ingredients for today's cooking is wheat flour 240 gram, butter 85 gram, 150 gram of peanuts, sugar 80 gram, sesame seeds 3 tablespoons, water around 90 milliliter. First, roast or stir-fry peanuts without oil in a hot pan. Use medium heat to stir-fry peanuts until slightly golden brown. When the peanuts is slightly golden brown, remove peanuts from hot pan and wait for the peanuts to cool down first. When peanuts is slightly golden brown, remove peanut from pan and wait for the peanuts to cool down first. While the pan is still hot, add in sesame seeds and roast sesame seeds with medium heat until golden brown. Sesame seeds turn golden brown is very fast, so you need to keep your eye on sesame seeds. Remove sesame seeds from the pan for use later. While the pan is still hot, add in 2 tablespoons of wheat flour and stir-fry wheat flour with medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Fry until the flour is dry enough. Then we will add in the filling and it tastes much better. Remove flour from frying pan for use later. After the peanuts has cooled down, remove skin from the peanut first. For me, this is the part that I hate doing because it takes some time to remove the skin from the peanuts. Then add in butter into the wheat flour using hand to mix butter with the wheat flour. Add in butter bit by bit and mix well butter with the wheat flour. Mix until wheat flour and butter become like sand in texture. Mix until wheat flour and butter become like sand in texture. When it becomes like sand in texture, add in water bit by bit. Keep on adding water and keep on kneading the dough. When the dough becomes lumpy and all the flour stick on your fingers has gone, that means the dough is perfect, and let the dough rest in a container for 20 minutes. While the dough is resting, let's cut and chop peanuts into small chunks. I don't like using blender as the blending result of peanuts is too fine. I like peanuts in small chunks forms. Transfer peanuts chunks into bowls, then add in sesame seeds, roasted flour and sugar. Then mix well all the filling ingredients until well combined. After 20 minutes, let's roll the dough with a rolling pin around 3 cm of thickness. Make a round-shaped dough with a round-shaped mold. The round-shaped mold is around 2.5 inches. Keep on repeating the process of making round-shaped dough. Keep round-shaped dough in a plate. Cover with wet cloth to keep the moisture of the dough. Fill up the dough with 1 to 2 teaspoons of sesame peanuts filling. Then seal the edge of the dough by pressing firmly with fingers. Finally, at the edge of the dough, fold in the dough to lock the dough completely from bursting in hot oil. Finally, let's roll up the edges of the puff to lock it closely so that the filling does not burst open in the hot oil. See, I am locking up the edges of the puff so that it does not burst open in the hot oil. And then we fold in the edges of the puff so that it is completely locked. Locking up the puff completely at the edges is an important step so that the filling does not burst open. If the filling bursts open, it will spoil your oil. Here is the peanut sesame puff ready for frying, but need to cover with the wet cloth to maintain its moisture. In a hot wok, add in cooking oil for deep frying of peanut sesame puff. Test the oil by dipping a chopstick into the oil. If there are lots of bubbles around the chopstick, it means it is hot enough and ready for frying. When the oil is hot enough, I add in 8 peanut sesame puff as one batch into the oil. With low heat, fry the puff until it releases less bubble as compared to the beginning. That means the puff are ready to be removed from hot oil. The first round of frying is to ensure crispiness of the puff, and we will fry the puff for the second time. As you may have noticed, the color of the puff is not yet brown. You are right. We will fry the puff for the second round to get the right color and to remove additional oil from the puff with high heat. With this recipe, we'll create around 55 puff with a 2 inches mold. After frying all the puff for the first round, the oil has become very hot, and I turn on the heat to high, and I add in 8 puff as one batch and fry the puff until light brown color. After removing the puff from the hot oil, it will turn into a darker brown color, and it is still hot and is still cooking. This is how the sweet puff looks like after frying, and the peanut sesame sweet puff is ready now. The puff is crispy with flaky exterior and filled with sweet peanuts and sesame aroma. Is really delicious. Here is my recipe for today's cooking. Let's give it a try, friend, for this Chinese New Year. Thank you for watching, friends. See you again in our next video. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Your likes and your subscriptions are our motivation to keep on posting new videos. Please share these videos with friends. Don't forget to view our others cooking videos for cooking ideas and inspiration. Bye bye.